Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys what I recently got. This is just something that I have bought here and there, but I'm going to show it to you. And I'm also going to include my current favorites for this season. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes in general. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. There are some things that I have bought when I was in Oslo and also online that I haven't shown you guys, and some of them are my current favorites, but I'm also going to include some older purchases that you have seen. That is my current favorites for this season, but we are going to start with the new purchases. I'm not going to live unbox them because I have already used everything. And the first thing that I would like to show you, that you probably know of if you have subscribed to my videos and also follow me on Instagram. And this is my new Birkin 30. This is in the color Beton with gold hardware in Togo leather. This is the perfect bag. I really like it. I got it offered when I was in Paris. My boyfriend was so lucky to get a leather appointment on the last day where we was in Paris. That's my number one when it comes to favorites, because this is very new. So I'm really looking forward to styling this with a coat when the winter comes. I have actually bought a coat for it, so I don't have to worry about color transfer, because most of my coats and jackets are in black or in a dark color. So therefore I decided when I got this one that I needed to buy a new coat, and I did that when I was in Paris actually. I ordered it online the day I got this one. But the thing that I didn't get for this one when I was in Paris, and the reason why I didn't use it in Paris, because I was really tempted to use this one on the last dinner in Paris, but I didn't have any twillies for it, because at the store they didn't have anything that I think suits the bag. I'm very picky when it comes to colors and combinations, so the reason why I didn't end up buying something there is because I didn't feel that it was anything that I really liked. So when I came home, I went to Oslo 2 days after I came home because my in-laws were getting married, and then I decided that I need to stop by Hermes to see if they have any twillies that will fit the bag. They didn't have anything there either, and so I ended up not buying a twilly that time, and we came back, I think it was 1 or 2 weeks after the wedding, and then my SA have gotten a twilly that was perfect for the bag. So I ended up getting that one, and the twilly that he had was this one. This is a very beautiful twilly. My first thought was, this is red. I don't like red, but when my SA tried it on the bag, I think it suits the bag very well. And here you can see how it looks. I think it looks very good, actually. I was kind of surprised when I liked it, and therefore I ended up getting it. But I only got one, and I think this one matches the one that I have, and that's the Ex Libris twilly in caramel and white. And here is the picture. And I think they matched good, but not perfect. So I wanted a new one. So when I was in the store, I actually ordered another one that I really loved. I saw it for the first time when I was in Copenhagen, but the reason why I didn't get it in Copenhagen is because I was not sure about the pattern. But when I talked to my SA about it, he kind of talked me into it, because the pattern will not show that much, and there was only small details that I didn't like. When we went to Oslo again, we have gotten the twilly in the store, and then we came to the store, and here is the other twilly that I bought for my new Birkin. And I think this one actually suits my Birkin 30 in gold as well, and also the Ex Libris twilly in caramel, because this is the caramel color that I have on the Ex Libris, and it also has some white. And the small details that I didn't like about this twilly was this shoe. But then my SA said that you can basically put it the other way, so you don't have to have the shoe up. and it won't show that much. So I thought that I couldn't miss it because I really like the colors. They are not a perfect match. I think this one matches the Ex Libris Twilly better. I think it is quite nice. And here you can see how it looks with this Twilly on. I think that's the perfect match if you ask me. I really like it, and I think it gives the bag its justice when it comes to the color, because the color looks very different in different lighting, but it has this creamy tone. I kind of was afraid when I got this bag offered if it was too light for me, because I have had some accidents with light colored bags, but I'm very careful with this one and I think it will go very well. So that was the 2 Twillies that I got for my new Birkin. And I actually got another Twilly, but it's not for my Birkin. This is just something that I wanted to buy because I'm manifesting something, and that's a doll Twilly. And of course I don't have any bags that will fit this Twilly yet, but I'm planning and manifesting a mini Kelly as soon as possible, but I think it will take its time. But for now I have bought this one so I can remind myself what the actual goal is, and that's a mini Kelly in a neutral color. And in a color pop would also be amazing. Everything basically. I'm not a fan of pink and blue so much, but I think it would be hard to say no to a mini Kelly if it was in blue or in pink. Because I really want a mini Kelly, and I think it is just a small bag, so you can basically makes it fit everything, because it can give you that extra color pop in an outfit. That was the 3rd Twilly that I bought, and I promise you now that I haven't gotten any more Twillies. And here you can see the details. It is very beautiful. And moving on to the next purchase, and this is something that I haven't bought from Hermes before. Actually something that I haven't prioritized or liked before, and this is a cashmere scarf from Hermes. This is actually from the men's collection, but I think it is very unisex, and yeah, I really loved it. It has this kind of dark brown, and when you flip it, it has this beige color. So it's actually 2 scarves in one. And here you can see the details. And it also has these tassels. The scarf is not that long, but I think it is very practical to have, especially when you are living in Norway as me. I don't regret my purchase at all. This has actually become my favorite for this season because it's a cashmere scarf. So it keeps you hot, but not too hot. And the price isn't that bad as well. But for now we are going to leave Hermes onto another brand that I really love. And I have actually been a lot more into clothes lately. And that's good because I really need some clothes. It's the Loewe tank top. I have wanted this tank top since I saw it. But I didn't pull the trigger on it when I was in Paris. And I should have done that because I had to wait 2 or 3 months before I got notified that it was in stock again at the Loewe website. I'm very happy that I finally got it in stock again, because this one is very beautiful. I have used it so many times, and just a basic and simple piece in your wardrobe. I really love it. This is one of my favorite pieces, but it is going to get very cold here in Norway very soon. And it is not the right time to buy a tank top. But I don't care, I really love it. And they have actually gotten it in black now as well. So I plan to buy that one, because they only had the black one in the cropped version. But now they have released it in the longer version, so I'm happy about that. And I think I will buy it as soon as possible. I don't think I'm going to use it that much more this season, but I'm ready for summer. Moving on to beauty, because if you know me, I am a huge Dior beauty fan, so this is just a thing that I wanted to talk about, and that's the viral ultra matte lipstick. This doesn't come off whatsoever. I have had it on for 12 hours and it didn't come off. Here you can see the color. This is very beautiful and I really love it. I think it is perfect and I think this one is going to be a favorite for fall. I plan to buy it in many different colors because I really like it and I really like the texture of it. So that was the thing from Dior Beauty. So now we are moving on to Hermes again. The next item that I have bought from Hermes lately is a pair of earrings, and these are the H-pop earrings. And this is in the color Malachite with rose gold hardware. And I really love them and I think the color is perfect. I really like green. And if I get a mini Kelly in this color, I would be so happy. So yeah, I ended up buying these. I was sold because I really like the color. And that's the main reason why I ended up getting them. And when I was in the store at that time, I actually signed up on the list. So now I am hoping for a Kelly. And the last purchase from Hermes is this perfume. This is actually the baby perfume. But when I tried it on, because I asked my essay about it, I have heard so many people talked about it. And when I tried it, I really love the scent. I use it mainly as a body mist, kinda, because it is very mild. But I also use it on interior, on scarves, jackets, everything. And it can also be used as a room spray. This one is completely alcohol free, so it's not harming something. When you spray it, it is kind of like an oil. I plan to give this perfume for my niece and nephew for Christmas because it is so mild that they can use it. And I think it is very cool. So yeah, that was the last Hermes purchase I did. Hopefully my essay have gotten some more items for me. I have ordered some items, but I'm planning to go again to Oslo in the start of December. Actually 2 times is planned already. I also plan to do Vlogmas this year, so that's going to be very exciting. I know that I haven't been the best at posting videos regularly for the last 2 years, but now I plan to upload twice a week on Thursdays and on Sundays. And I have actually bought something that makes it very easy for me to do that, because the old Mac that I had crashed when I just opened Final Cut Pro. But now I have bought a new Mac. This one does a much better job. So from now on it's going to be so much easier for me to upload videos on a regular basis. And I am so happy that I am finally in this drive again, that I want to film videos for you guys and talk to you guys, because I have really missed it when I was in and out of surgeries and was feeling bad after surgeries. But now I am on a more healthier way. I have 1 surgery left, but I'm going to postpone that until I feel completely ready, because the surgeries that I had before was 2 months between and it was 5. So I was really tired and exhausted after that. But now I'm feeling much better. So yeah, that was the things that I have recently bought. And some of them are my favorites. The Mac is one of my favorites, and of course the bag is one of my favorites, and the scarf as well. Another favorite that I have shown you guys before is my Super sandals. These are in shearling. Here you can see the details. These are very, very good. I use them every day when I wake up in the morning and edit videos, and I want another pair. And I have actually seen in a white creamy color, and oh my god, I need to have them. So I'm hoping my essay is going to get them very soon, because I'm going to buy them straight away. And another thing that I have shown you guys before, but has become one of my favorites, is the Chanel card holder. I have only had normal card holders with slots, But this one is so practical because you can close it and you can put many things inside it. Cash, money, everything. I think this one is one of the best purchases that I have done. That was the life update and also some of my favorites and some of my new purchases. There are very exciting times that will come very soon. And I can't wait to take you guys with me on that journey as well, because we are planning something big. Things are moving forward and I won't say anything more than that for now. So you guys will have to wait and see what the future brings. So yeah, that was the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and also let me know in the comments what are your fall favorites or winter favorites, as the winter is coming very soon. And I'm also curious to hear about what do you guys think about Vlogmas. Is it something that you really want me to do, or is it something that you find a little bit unnecessarily? Please let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. And if you are not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye. With fire, with fire. It's like